Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make sin-free Slimming World Scotch eggs. So the ingredients required for this recipe is 2 eggs, 4 hard-boiled eggs, half a cup of chopped onions, 500 grams of low-fat pork mince, this one is less than 5% fat, some garlic, some dried herbs, salt, pepper, some fry light, and either 6 to 8 small slices of wholemeal bread or about 3 to 4 normal slices of wholemeal bread. So the first thing that you will need to do is peel your boiled eggs. Next, place the bread into a mixer and blend all of it up into breadcrumbs. Spread the breadcrumbs into a shallow dish and just set this aside for later. Next up, we're going to crack the 2 normal eggs into a jug or a bowl and give those a really good whisk up. Next up, we're going to take our pork mince out of the packet. I am just using 2 sandwich bags on my hands just so that it doesn't all just stick all over my fingers. So I'm just going to flatten it all out and then I can remove my gloves, and I'm going to add some salt, which you can't see because I've done it too high up. And then I'm going to add some pepper. And then the mixed herbs and the garlic. And then I'll just pop my bags back on my hands or gloves or whatever you want to use and just give that all a big mix up and kind of knead it into the pork. And I'm going to add the onions, which for some reason I've done in a bowl. So once that's all mixed up, you then need to divide the pork into 4. So that's going to be 1 section for each boiled egg. Next up, take one of those sections and just press it down so that it's flat into the palm of your hand. This is where the gloves or the bags come in handy because it really does stop everything from sticking. And you're then going to take your boiled egg, you're going to place it in the centre, and then you're going to fold the pork around it and then just basically make sure it's all wrapped fully around the egg. And then you just continue to do the same with the rest of your eggs. So next up, we are going to take each ball and we are going to dip it into our beaten egg mixture. And then after doing that, we're going to roll it through the breadcrumbs. And you want to just keep on rolling that through and really make sure that it's thoroughly coated in breadcrumbs. And then when you've done that, you're going to place it onto a baking tray lined with grease-proof paper or a silicone mat or some kind of non-stick surface, sprayed with a little fry light. So with an oven preheated to about 180 degrees, you'll then pop them straight into the oven for about half an hour or until they're lightly golden, and then they are done. Yes, these really are delicious sin-free Scotch eggs, but that is only if you are using the bread as your healthy extra B. So each Scotch egg will count as 1 healthy extra B. So thanks very much for watching my video. Please leave a comment if you do try this at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.